प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं आप लोगों के बीच में क्लास 12th के एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड इंग्लिश लिटरेचर बुक के विस्टास सप्लीमेंट्री बुक के अंदर लेसन 6 के पार्ट 2 बी टू आर ह्यूमन बींग्स लेसन को लेकर के उपस्थित हुआ हूँ और इसमें हम शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस को समझेंगे। बी टू आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स, short answer type questions and answers in not more than 40 words each. Question 1. How much time did Bama take to reach home from school? Why? बामा स्कूल से घर पहुंचने में कितना समय लेती थी? क्यों? आंसर: It was possible to walk the distance in 10 minutes from Bama's school to her home, but usually it would take her 30 minutes at the very least to reach home. Many interesting things would attract her. Question 2. What things attracted Bama during the way to home? घर के रास्ते के दौरान क्या चीज़ें बामा को आकर्षित करती थीं? आंसर: Several things attracted Bama on the way home, such as the performing monkey, the snake which the snake charmer kept in its box, the cyclist who had not got off his bicycle for 3 days and who kept pedaling as hard as he could from the break of day, sweet stall of snacks, etc. Question number 3. Which were the other entertainments Bama found in the way? रास्ते में कौन से दूसरे मनोरंजन बामा को मिलते थे? Answer: Sometimes she saw people from various political parties arrive, put up a stage and harangue us through their mics. Then there might be a street play, a puppet show, or a magic show. Question number 4. How did the waiter cool the coffee in the बाजार? बाजार में वेटर दूध बेचने वाला कैसे कॉफ़ी अर्थात दूध को ठंडा करता था? Answer: The waiter cooled the coffee by lifting a tumbler high and pouring its contents into a tumbler held in his other hand. Question number 5. Which different sides tether the legs of Bama and stop her? कौन सी भिन्न दृश्य वालियाँ बामा के पैरों को बांधती थीं और उसको रोक देती थीं? Answer: The street light always demonstrated how it could change the color from blue to violet. The Narukran hunter gypsy with his wild lemur in cages, selling needles, clay beads, and instruments for cleaning out the ears. All these things would not allow her to go further. Question 6. What fruits were found there according to the season? मौसम के हिसाब से वहाँ कौन से फल पाए जाते थे? Answer. According to the season, there would be mango, cucumber, sugar cane, sweet potato, palm shoots, gram, palm syrup, guavas, and jackfruit for sale. Question number 7. What was set up there in the corner of the street? वहाँ पर गली के एक कोने में क्या स्थापित किया जाता था? Answer. At the corner, a threshing floor had been set up, and the landlord watched the proceedings, seated on a piece of shaking spread over a stone ledge. People were hard at work driving cattle in pairs round and round to tread out the grain from the straw. Question number 8. What made Bama double up? Why did she want to laugh? क्या था जिसने बामा को तेज चलाया? वह हंसना क्यों चाहती थी? Answer 8. Bama saw an elderly man carrying something in a packet. Though he was holding out the packet by its strings without touching it. This made Bama to double her speed and laugh. Question number 9. How did the elder person give package to the landlord? बुजुर्ग व्यक्ति ने जमींदार को पैकेज कैसे दिया? Answer. The elder went straight up to the landlord, bowed low, and extended the packet towards him, cupping the hand that held the string with his other hand. Question number 10. Who was Annan? What did he tell Bama about caste? अन्नान कौन थे? उन्होंने बामा को जाति के बारे में क्या बताया? Answer. Annan was Bama's elder brother. He told Bama that the man was not being funny when he carried the packet like that. He said everybody believed that they were upper caste and therefore must not touch us. Question 11. Why did Bama become angry and what did she want to do then? बामा क्यों नाराज हो गई और फिर वह क्या करना चाहती थी? Answer. When Bama knew the social evil of untouchability, she became very angry and decided to study hard. Question number 12. What thoughts arrived into the mind of Bama after knowing the fact of carrying the package in the different way? बामा के दिमाग में उस भिन्न तरीके से पैकेज को ले जाने के तथ्य को जानने के बाद में क्या विचार आए? Answer. When she heard from her brother that they were from a low caste, she thought, how could they believe that? It was disgusting if one of us held that package in his hands. She wanted to touch all those wise directly. Question number 13. What happened with Bama's elder brother once while returning from their neighboring village library? बामा के बड़े भाई के साथ एक बार उनके पड़ोस के गांव की लाइब्रेरी से लौटते समय क्या हुआ? आंसर: When Annan was on his way home, one of the landlord's men asked his name and where he lived. Annan replied on which street he lived. In this way, he came to know his caste. Question number 14. What did Annan tell Bama about their community? How did he motivate her to overcome those indignities? अन्नान ने बामा को उनके समाज जाति के बारे में क्या बताया? उन्होंने उसे उन तिरस्कार अपमान से उभरने के लिए कैसे प्रेरित किया? आंसर 14. Annan told Bama that because they were born into the untouchable community, they were never given any honor and respect. They were stripped of all that. But if they study and make progress, they can throw away these indignities. Question number 15. Why did the author's brother often go to the library? लेखिका का भाई प्रायः पुस्तकालय क्यों जाता था? आंसर: The author's elder brother, who was studying at a university, had come home for the holidays. He would often go to the library in their neighboring village to borrow books. Long answer type questions and answers in not more than 80 words each. Question 1. Who was Bama? Why did it take at least 30 minutes for her to reach home from the school? What different things, shows, or happenings she used to observe in the way which attracted her? बामा कौन थी? उन्हें स्कूल से घर पहुंचने में कम से कम 30 मिनट क्यों लगते थे? क्या विभिन्न चीज़ें, प्रदर्शन अथवा घटनाएं वह रास्ते में निरीक्षण करती थीं जो उन्हें आकर्षित करते थे? आंसर: Bama is also a school going girl. She belongs to a downtrodden community. She is filled with anger when she sees that an elder in their community is being humiliated by a high caste landlord. It was possible to walk the distance in 10 minutes. She would watch the pongal offerings being cooked. Then there could be some entertainment going on the way: street play, a puppet show, or a magic show. These were the things that stopped her at many points in her ways. In this way, Bama was an active girl. Question number 2. What did she see once in a corner of her street? Which unusual scene made her double up and laugh? एक बार अपनी गली के एक कोने में उन्होंने क्या देखा? कौन से विशेष असाधारण दृश्य ने उनकी चलने की गति बढ़ा दी और हंसवाया। आंसर, वन डे when she came to her street, she saw at the opposite corner a threshing floor had been set up, and the landlord watched the proceedings seated on a piece of sacking spread over a stone ledge. The people of her community were hard at work driving cattle in pairs. He was carrying a small packet in his hands. Bama guessed there were some things like vades in the packet. Bama wanted to laugh loudly when she saw this. He was holding out the packet by its string without touching it. She thought that in this manner. Question number 3. Why was Annan not amused? What did he tell Bama about their caste? What were the reactions of Bama then? Explain. अन्नान क्यों खुश नहीं हुए? उन्होंने बामा को उनकी जाति के बारे में क्या बताया? तब बामा की क्या प्रतिक्रियाएं थीं? व्याख्या कीजिए। आंसर, बामा told her brother that an elderly person of their caste was strangely holding a food packet. Her brother told her that he did so to avoid touching the packet, thinking about the evil of untouchability. Then the people would come to her in their regard and attach themselves to her. Those words of Annan made a deep impression on her. Bama's brother told her about the social evil of untouchability. Question number 4. What incident had happened with Annan once? What information do you find by it? How do you take it? Discuss. एक बार अन्नान के साथ क्या घटना घटित हुई थी? आप उससे क्या जानकारी पाते हैं? आप उसे कैसे लेते हैं? चर्चा कीजिए। Answer. Once, Bama's elder brother, who was studying at a university, had come home for the holidays. He would often go to the library in the neighboring village to borrow books at that time. He was on his way home one day, walking along the banks of the irrigation tank. One of the landlord's men came up behind him. In this way, in the olden days, people of the high caste came to know the caste of lower caste people. Question number 5. How did Annan motivate Bama to go ahead in her life? Did those words affect Bama? How? Explain. अन्नान के बामा को जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए कैसे प्रेरित किया? अन्नान ने बामा को जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए कैसे प्रेरित किया? क्या उन शब्दों का बामा पर प्रभाव पड़ा? कैसे? वर्णन कीजिए। आंसर: Bama's brother encouraged her and advised her to study, and she had to raise her position in the class. She did the same and stood first in her class. Now many people have become her friends. Thus, she fought against the stigma of belonging to a lower caste. This followed the bazaar incident when she watched a person on her street carrying vadas with a particular style, as he had been mandated to carry, not touching the packets. If he had touched the packaging, the vadas could have been polluted.